Good afternoon everyone, welcome back to the channel. We're going to be working on the Civic today, and we're going to be making a skid plate for it to protect the transmission and the oil pan. So
first thing now what I gotta do is grab this plate, which is it's a 16 gauge, 2 feet by 2 feet, and then that one is 2 feet and then 8 inches. So let's grab this big piece, and the jack, and let's mock it up.
So now I'm gonna grab the metal plate and the jack, and let's mock it up, and you'll see how it's gonna sit, guys. So just give me 1 second.
Gonna place the metal plate right where it needs to sit, and then I'm gonna mark up the holes, drill them, and make the brackets. So just give me 1 second, guys. And then this piece is gonna be tucked under the front bumper. Dust in my face. So it's gonna sit like this, guys. I don't know if you guys can see, but right here it's gonna be an L-shaped bracket, so it could be bolted up here to this thing and to this plate. Gotta make an L shape on this one corner and then on the other side. And then right here I gotta mark up the holes. I got bolts for this. We'll put it through there with a washer, and the same thing to the other side. So we'll get to it right now, and then I'm gonna mark up the holes off camera and then show you guys how I got it so far. So stay tuned. I just marked all the holes that I'm gonna drill through on these, and then once I'm done drilling these, I'm gonna mock it up again, put them where they need to be, where I showed you guys in the beginning of the, sort of in the beginning of the video, that yeah, I'm gonna mock it up. So when this gets drilled, I mark it through the hole to make a hole here, and then this is the other piece that's gonna go next to it like this. I'm gonna put, I have pieces of 16 gauge that is gonna go on top of here, like so. One here, and one here, and then there's gonna be bolts in each one to hold these two pieces together. And that other one is gonna go on this piece. So I'm gonna drill the holes. So I'm gonna put you guys on time lapse, and yeah, trying to make this video as short as possible, so I don't bore you guys, so I can keep you guys entertained. So just keep watching. So now I'm gonna put you on time lapse to drill the hole. As you can see, there's one over there. Did it here, and then there, and here. So now set you guys up here, and now I'm gonna mock it up and put it on. So you can see it's getting a bit late, running out of daylight. I'm gonna finish
the skid plate before the sun goes down. So I'll show you guys one more time of how it's gonna be mocked up, and then once I'm done, I'm gonna show you guys when it's finished. So let's check it out. So you can see this is where it's gonna go, through that hole, and then that bracket is gonna be held like that. Same thing on the other side, so you guys can see. Hopefully you guys can, since there's a bit of sunlight. So yeah, and then I have to put these being held like that. One there, one in the middle, and then one on the other end behind that oil pan. So I'll be right back, guys. The next day, I finished the skid plate last night at 10:30. So let's go check it out with the skid plate on the car. Let's go. The skid plate looks on the car. Already bolted up. I used 2-inch bolt right there where the rad support is, or the radiator sits on the support, and then obviously the L-shaped bracket on the subframe to the skid plate. So yeah. Then I'm gonna show you guys the top view. Bam. And then these are the 4-inch bolts, and I used two 4-inch bolts to bolt it up to the skid plate onto where the AC used to sit in. And then you can see that one, a middle one, and then one at the end. And those supports are bolted up. And then same with this other shape bracket right there. So yeah, that's how it looks like, guys. If you guys got any questions about the skid plate, just comment down below and I'll answer your questions. So if you liked the video, like, comment, subscribe. I know I kind of rushed it. I was trying to get a video out for you guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and peace.